I just got back from University of Oxford, from the United Kingdom, after spending 6 months as a journalist fellow at the Reuters Institute for Study of Journalism. It was really amazing 6 months. The way they picked all of us, our 12 fellows, because we were just like perfectly clicking puzzles, reflecting about the future of journalism from perspectives of our countries, because all of us were from all around the globe. And Reuters Institute really gave us a great chance to cooperate and work with the most respectful journalists and editors from the world. We really had the most prominent people who could teach us about the future of media and to give us a new perspective how to look at the new challenges media has. The best thing I learned was try not to polarize your own audience, because I think so that UK media now are facing the biggest challenge ever because of Brexit. I don't think they lost their quality. I really think that majority of these legacy media are still at the highest levels of quality. You really have to fact check everything. You are not a prophet, you are a journalist. Your job is not to perceive the future, it's to report and to give a better context. First, I would like to just point out that the crisis that media and challenges we have today, part of the responsibility is lying in the media as well. Because we were the ones not understanding that we are not running 100-meter sprint, we are running a marathon. It's not always important to be the first. It's important to be the true, relevant, and broader. So I do believe that the media freedom is a moment when we can be sure with ourselves as a media that the things we are saying, we are clear with them. We are not saying them to be the smartest one, to be the first one. We are saying them for sake of doing a public service responsibility.